Welcome to NoCodeNerd episode 11 for Typeform. Now, Typeform is just possibly the sexiest form tool and information collection tool on the internet. I adore it. This is the little landing page. I just can't express how wonderful the tools you can make with this thing are. So, I'm going to log in, and I'm going to show you how you make a form. So let me just log in here. Boom. Let's go to my workspace. I have a ton of these, as you can see. I'm going to create a new type form. Let's start from scratch. My type form, test for vid. Continue. Now, I'm going to add a new question. I'm going to make a welcome screen. On this welcome screen, I'm going to say, hey, how's it going? Right? You click start. Then you go over here. I'm going to delete. I'm actually going to add a multiple choice question, let's say. I'll delete this question. This multiple choice question is going to say, what color do you like best? Question mark. And I'm going to add red, blue, yellow, right? Other. Maybe, yeah, that's fine. Red, blue, yellow. Easy. Then I publish this up here. I go over to share. I copy this freaking link. I paste it here. And look at how smooth this is. Hey, how's it going? Start. Color do you like best? Red. Submit. Done. You can embed these anywhere. You can use them for anything. You can integrate Typeform with just about every other tool on the internet. It is really, really beautiful with integrations. Just the way and the format, you can even make it look like a chatbot. The way and the format that Typeform works is so smooth, so sexy compared to a lot of other form softwares on the internet. It's just great as a result because they just made it a really, really high quality product. There's a ton of other form softwares, Google Forms, SurveyMonkey, stuff like that, right? But this took the cake for just the smoothest tool that's out there, right? And you can use it for free. You can build 3 forms for free. Highly recommend you check it out. If you need to collect information on your site, if you need to just really collect information from anybody, Typeform is probably going to be the best bet if you're looking for the highest conversion and just the smoothest interface. So, hope that's helpful. I'll see you on the next heckin' episode. Have a great day. Links to everything about the tool should be somewhere. You'll find them. I believe in you. Peace.